It's been 1 week. I don't think the swelling is nowhere near as bad as it was, which helps when you try to drink some fluids, water, juice, coffee. I think it hurts more when you drink through a straw, actually. I learned that yesterday. It's time to get away from the straw because it hurts more to swallow through a straw than it does to drink normally out of a cup. Probably be best just to have a sippy cup like a little baby. If you think you're tough, then go get your neck reconstructed and let me know how it goes with no medicine. Just try like maybe a half of a muscle relaxant a couple nights and maybe 1/2 of a pain pill and see how fucking tough you are. Ride it out like a tough girl. Because I don't think no man would tolerate this shit. Women are tougher. They really are. But either way. We'll keep you posted on the healing process. I would say the heated mattress pad has made a world of difference in how I sleep. It helps relax your body. And I would suggest you buy a giant box of Freezy Pops. They become your best friend because it helps reduce swelling and it gets you hydrated and it's not hard to swallow little pieces of crushed ice. Unfortunately, it's sugar water, but I think 2 of them may only give you 4 or 5 ounces of fluid, but it's better than dehydrating. Goodbye.